A very heartfelt good morning to one and all of us here. This is Bharati Shah, class 10B, and I'm a student of Alchem Public School. I'm presented here in front of you all to tell a story on surface area and volume. And my story begins like this. Once upon a time, there was a city named Alexandria, and there lived a scientist named Eratosthenes. He was wondering to find the circumference of Earth from a very long time. Until then only, it was discovered that the Earth is round shaped. He had a friend who was a saudagar, means he used to travel long distances. And when he met his saudagar friend, and he asked him that where he is going, and he told him that he is going to sign, where on 21st June the sun will be on the top of their head, and its reflection will be shown in the well. Then he asked that can't I see the reflection of sun in the wells of Alexandria? Then he replied, no. You can't see the reflection of sun in the wells of Alexandria because it could be seen only in sign. Then he asked him that could you find the displacement between sign and Alexandria for him. Then he refused that I can't find the displacement for you. I could only find the distance for you. Then he said that I will give some money to you if you will do my work. Then he agreed and he proceeded to find the displacement of the distance between sign and Alexandria. Then he moved further, and on that spot from where he started to go through sign, there the scientist named Eratosthenes kept a wooden block, and he measured the angle, and it was 90 degrees. Then he found the angle of shadow, and it was 7.2. And when his that friend came back, and he told him that the displacement between sign and Alexandria at 800 kilometers. Then he thought and wondered that if the rays of sun are fall parallel on the earth, then if the measure of 7.2 degree is 800 kilometers, then for 360 degree it will be 360 by 7.2 into 800, and it will be 40,000 kilometers. And this experiment was not much different from the real circumference of Earth. So from this we could conclude that how much he used his mind to know that circumference of Earth through a very simple technique, which is the displacement and the angle technique. And thank you for listening.